RYOBI 40V 21-inch mower assembly and start guide. Handle assembly. Pull or push the lever on the handle crossbar to unlock the handles. Raise the handles to one of the two notches on the handle brackets. Make sure the handles lock into place. Assembling and installing the grass catcher. The handle on the frame should be facing down and the bag should have the vinyl side facing up. Slide the bag onto the frame and pull the clips over the frame rails. Make sure you leave the frame handle outside the bag and the bag seams are located at the frame's edges. Attach the remaining clips on each side. Place the grass catcher directly between the handles and lift the rear door. Make sure the hooks are seated into the slots of the mower housing. Lower the rear door. Installing the mulch plug. Lift and hold the rear door. Insert the mulching plug at a slight angle. The tab on the mulch plug should be seated in the slot at the bottom of the opening. Lower the rear door. Installing the side discharge chute. To install the side discharge chute, lift and hold the mulching cover. Insert the side discharge chute and align the two notches with the tab on each side of the mulching cover. Lower the mulching cover. Setting the blade height. To raise the blade height, grasp the height adjustment handle and move it towards the back of the mower. To lower the blade height, move it towards the front of the mower. Starting the mower. Ensure the batteries are fully charged before installing. Raise the battery cover and insert the batteries. Next, insert the start key. The arrow should be pointed towards the battery being used. Then lower the lid. When the battery runs low, remove the key and then insert it with the arrow facing the charged battery. To start the mower, pull the lever, then press the start button to engage the blades. To activate the SmartTrek self-propelled feature, push down the paddle towards the handle. To stop the self-propelled, release the paddle. To stop the mower, release the lever and the blades will automatically disengage. To adjust the maximum speed, slide the switch to the right to increase or to the left to decrease. To start the mower, pull the bale towards the handle, then press the start button to engage the blades. To activate the self-propelled feature, pull the lever up towards the handle. To stop the self-propelled, release the lever. To stop the mower, release the bale and the blade will automatically disengage. To adjust the speed, slide the switch to the right to increase or to the left to decrease. Need additional help? Call RYOBI customer service